Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about some keyboard shortcut everyday Windows user must be need. So, if you are a regular user of Windows and you are a Windows user, these keyboard shortcuts are for you. So, first I'm going to create a notepad so you can easily understand. And here the first one is how can easily you can rename your file and folder. So click on your file and click on F2. So that's so you can easily rename your file and folder like this. Click on F2, then you can easily rename your file and folder. You don't need to right click on your mouse and click on rename like this. So I'm going to open this and I'm going to paste something. So first we are going to select with your keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl plus A. So that's where you can select everything. To copy this thing, I'm going to press on enter and then press Ctrl plus V. And if you want to cut this, then select this and press Ctrl plus X. If you want to move your text or file or folder anything, you can press Ctrl plus X. Then if you undo this thing, then simply press Ctrl plus Z. So that's how you can undo this. If I press Alt plus tab, then we can move on to the another tab. You can easily switch to open application easily with Alt plus tab. If I press Windows plus D, then I can easily hide my open file and folder. Then Windows plus D again, then we can easily open this like this. If I press Windows plus E, I can easily open my file explorer like this. And Windows plus L, you can instantly lock your computer like this. And Ctrl Shift ESC, you can open your task manager like this. You can easily open a task manager and you can kill any of this application from here. Windows plus arrow key, you can minimize or maximize this like this. And Windows plus S, we can open our search bar, and Alt plus F4, we can shut down our computer easily.